make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is...
Hello loves, if you're new here, my name's Lucy Kenga, and thank you so much for clicking this video. And if you're returning back, karibu sana babe. And today we have a hair tutorial video, and this is a darling hair weave, and we're going to make a wig. This is a wig tutorial, and this is Pixie Weave number 227. So guys, let's get on. So yeah, and this hair video can also be a wig making video for beginners, and it will look like this wig, pixie cut wig. I'll stick a picture there. So yeah, let's make this pixie wig from this darling hair weave.
There's pain in the struggle, and there's beauty in the pain. So if love is a struggle, I guess there's beauty in everything. There's peace in a heartbreak, there's fire in the rain. So if everything means nothing these days, baby, then let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
So I'll start sewing down the smallest pieces of this weave from the back, and I'm just going to go in a curved shape. And yeah, this is how I'm sewing down to make this pixie wig. So all the pieces of this pixie weave face different direction. There are some pieces which face upwards and other pieces face downwards, so you have to cut and assemble them to face in the same direction. Like this one, you see it's facing upwards, and the other one is facing downwards. You can't sew down like this, not unless you fold, but I want just to cut at the very end of the difference. I just cut them like that so that I don't cause the wig to have bumps on the sides, and I just make them to face in the same direction so that when I sew down these wefts, they'll be all in the same direction. So I'm going to do all of these pieces of this weave and sew down my wig.
Straight, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. I close my eyes and lightning strikes, so I won't sleep till I get it right. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain all night. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain down. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain down. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain down. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
So only these pieces of weaves are left, and I'm going just to go upwards direction now so that my sides can be smaller and have a side band, this wig to have side bands. So this is how I'm going to sew down these weave wefts.
Lately, I can't help but act brand new, baby, 'cause my pockets got so many gold faces. Throw the cash, me and my family, so yeah. I got money, I throw wazoo. I got money, I throw wazoo. And my family, really wazoo. Really, really wazoo. Yeah, I got money, I throw wazoo. All this money stuffed up in my pockets, that means you can't ignore me.
So now I'm going to go with the middle-sized part, which is blonde. I've finished with the smaller parts, which were black. Now in the middle, I'm going to put these middle parts, which is a little bit bigger than the black ones, taller. So I'm going to arrange them at the middle.
On this necklace, they don't need a second guess. They see it all over me. Like I've been swimming in the ocean, jumped out but I'm still soaking. Why you ashy boys need lotion? No need to comment, I already know I'm looking good. Rich like a faucet, I'm getting money understood, yeah. Lately, I can't help but act brand new, baby. Cause my pockets got so many blue faces. Throw the cash, me and my family, so yeah. I got money at the bazoo.
So now the middle parts are done. Now I'm going to weave, to sew down these weaves which have curly parts which are blonde. Now these are the parts which will come to the front of this wig, and now we are sewing down these curly parts which will be the styling of this wig, pixie cut wig.
In the kitchen, caution signs where I go, you know I be dripping. Between your Gucci and his necklace got me in it slipping. Man, I hit another spot and put up with a bin. You waiting with your friends, can't get into 10.
Poleni pale kwa your lighting guys, but this is how our wig is. It turned out to be, imepata shape ya bob already, bob wig, and now we are continuing sewing down this darling hair weave. Alafu, let's see how this will turn out from this darling hair. Kenya.
I got money at the bazoo, bazoo. I got money at the bazoo.
We are almost done with this pixie weave. Na tuko karibu kabisa kumaliza, bado kilele tu kidogo. Unaona shape vile nime rub through my fingers na vile imekuwa. Now we are going to the finishing part of this weave.
Go. Up to your scent, I'm in a press, you know. Slow down when I catch your vibe. I'm losing composure, yeah. What's thinking you and me should slide. Say less, ma, say less, ma. That body is extortional. Take my money, but use discretion, oh. Credit card splurging on you and give you what you want. Say less, ma, anything you want just to prove my love.
Sasa hapa nadhani ushaona mwenzangu kwa you are going round and round, making this to be invisible part in the middle invisible part isionekane kabisa. We're just trying to make it like a closure to make this wig look realistic and natural.
Body won't function, that body so disproportionate. Come closer, let me tell you something. Tell me what's next. Girl, it's you that I can't resist. Give me 1 second. When I wake up to your scent, I'm in a press, you know. Slow down when I catch your vibe. I'm losing composure, yeah. What's thinking you and me should slide. Say less, ma. That body is extortional. Take my money, but use discretion, oh. Credit card splurging on you and give you what you want. Say less, ma, anything you want just to prove my love.
Now see how our pixie wig turned out, Nikichana. You can have this pixie wig in many hairstyles, but we will try and recreate the darling hairstyle ya hii wig, ya hii weave, I mean, to be exactly as the picture, the way they made it, the model made it, but you can have this in so many styles. So let's go ahead and do this pixie haircut, ya hii weave style.
I ain't worried about you. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some money in the cups. Got some shiny.
Now let's give our pixie wig a haircut from this haircut machine. And it has all these pieces to use to style, and you can use batteries too, electricity. And you can use this, it's faster and it's the easiest way to do a pixie haircut or any haircut, or from weaves to real hair. So yeah, this is the best machine, or you can use scissors too, or you can use a technique for razors.
Sit back, recline, and hit the climb. Who knew this was fake? Good like I'm stuck up. These dreams we could chase. Face your fears, baby, what's up? I just grind on my own. I just fly on my own. Busy being a king. I'm just minding my phones. I feel fly on my own. I ain't worried about them though. Always chillin' with my friends though. Catch me chillin', counting pesos. No fear, I just stack. I'ma ride for my pack. Music bumping like that, homie. I ain't worried about you. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some money in the cut.
Haya wadau, basi hayawi mwisho yamekuwa. Look out at this style. Check this style, how amazing it came out. You can wear this in so many styles, guys. This bob, this pixie wig, you can wear it in so many styles. I just wanted side to be very short and the other side to be curly. You can wear it straight or curly. It's a matter of styling. So I'm just going to style and show you a few of them. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't, guys. Share this video to some people so that it can reach a lot of people. And thank you for watching until this time. If you're watching up to this time, I'm so appreciative and thank you so much. So here, check out the rest of this video.
I live for hot pockets, no microwave. Big paper, gotta get more. I'm shooting my shot at the top floor. Yeah, it's hard, gotta live more. I'm not worried, I'm living my life, yeah. Doing too well to have any spice. Nothing, I know what it's like, I kept the fight. Yeah. Now that I made it right, I ain't worried about you. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some money in the cut. Got some shining in my bling, yeah. I ain't worried about them. I ain't worried about a thing now. I got some liquor in my cup. Now just watch me do my thing, yeah.